Hi guys. I am getting ready to go out on a little date with the hubby, and I had a question earlier from someone who wanted to know what eyeshadow to buy for blue eyes to make them pop. And always when you're looking at complementary colors for like to make green eyes or blue eyes or brown, whatever, pop, you want to look opposite that color on the color wheel. Well, opposite blue is orange. You probably don't want to wear orange eyeshadow unless you are very brave, and more power to you. But the other options for blue eyes are brown and bronze and copper. Any of those more normal colors for eyeshadow would be great to make your eyes pop out. So, because I have mostly blue eyes, I am going to pull out what I would do for a basic, everyday eyeshadow look. I'm going to start with Shroom from MAC. This is going to be my highlighter color. I'm just using a little floofy brush, and I look exceptionally, like, bright in this light. But you can see my eyes really well, and that's the point. Okay, so I'm just gonna get some on there, tap off the excess. I'm going to use this as my highlighter color. I am just using, you know, the basic when you would go to the store and buy CoverGirl or whatever, Maybelline, and they'd have the 3 colors in the palette and tell you where they go. Same basic concept. They know what they're talking about. It doesn't get too old. You can experiment later, but I'm also going to take this and put it in the inner corner right there to kind of brighten up. If you have wide set eyes, you don't want to put it in the inner corner. What you're going to want to do is the reverse of what I'm doing. So if you have wide set eyes, you're going to keep the lighter colors on the outside and the darker colors in the middle, because just like wearing clothes, when you wear black, it's slimming. When you wear lighter colors, it expands. It makes things look brighter and larger, and so hence this look. Oh my gosh, this is so bright. Hold on, I'm going to kind of adjust my ring light here. That's a little better. I just didn't, it was really intense. Okay, so next I'm going to do, back to light on the outside. So if your eyes are wide set, you're going to keep the darker colors on the inside to kind of draw everything together, and the lighter highlight colors on the outside. So my next color is Amber Lights. You can see it without it being shiny and see the actual color. There we go. And I'm going to take the same floofy, and I'm just going to run this all over my lid and kind of creeping up a little, blending up in my crease. Notice how I'm not going all the way in, because that defeats the purpose of just highlighting right there. So same thing on the other side. And the reason why I put it in a little bit into my crease is I want this color to blend in with the color I'm going to put in my crease. Instead of, I'd rather have this lighter color up to blend than take the crease and risk blending it down. So Amber Lights is a very bold copper, like very bright, and so it kind of mimics that orange without you wearing orange on your lids. This is bronze. All of these are by MAC. That just tends to be what I use. You can get similar colors I recommend from the Mascara Beauty brand. I wear those too. So I'm going to take this smaller floofy, a little more compact. That's what I used for the inner corners. And I'm going to start building into my crease to create depth. So I start with it pretty intense, and then I'm just gonna blend with that brush. And I'm going to try not to blend down. I'm going to push this up to blend. And then I'm gonna take a little bit on the floofy side and add it to the outer edge. I'm just going in circles. I like to buff it. I like how it blends when I buff it. And there you go. So it kind of, when you blend it a little on the outer corner, it just extends your eyelash line, creates kind of an almond shape, and which is supposedly the ideal eye shape. Who really cares though? So I'll do the same thing on this side. Take that darker bronze with the smaller brush, and then blend. Gonna add again just a hair more with the floofy part on this outer corner and bring it kind of like a little mini V. That's what I'm going for. There we go. So not too shabby. 3 colors. You can use the same ones every day. You can go lighter for, you know, if you feel like things are a little too intense color-wise. This is great for, you know, if you're like, Jill, that's too much. I don't wear that much eyeshadow. Use the same colors, but with a lighter hand. And blend, blend, blend. And if you want to go out with your significant other in the evening, same colors, just with a heavier hand. So here we go. These are my favorites, my go-tos for blue eyes. And let me know what you think, and I'll end up doing one of these for different eye colors to show you, because if you can see, I have green in one of my eyes. So we'll see if we can make that pop one of these days. So I hope you are having an amazing beginning to your weekend. Happy Face It Friday. I will chat at you later. Bye.